Hello everyone, this is Steve. Thanks for joining me. We're going to draw this ellipse right here, so let's get started. A lot to do. So I start by looking at the numbers underneath the x squared and the y squared and taking their square roots, 6 and 10. The square root of the number under x squared tells you how far to move left and right from center, and the square root of the number under y squared tells you how far to move up and down from center to get the intercepts of your ellipse. Now, our center is going to be at 0, 0, because that's where all of our ellipses are centered in Math 121. So let's go ahead and draw our points. So I'm going to go left and right 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Those are going to end up being the endpoints of my minor axis. And then I'm going to go up and down 10, which is going to be as far as my graph goes. And those are going to be the endpoints of my major axis. And the endpoints of your major axis are also called your vertices. So go ahead and let's write that there. So let's go ahead and say that our x-intercepts are going to be at plus or minus 6, 0. And our y-intercepts, which are also our vertices, because it's the endpoint of the major axis, are going to be 0, plus or minus 10. And even before I draw my ellipse, I know that the length of my major axis, is going to be 20, and the length of the minor axis is going to be 12. 2 times 10 for the major, 2 times 6 for the minor, which you'll notice are these numbers over here, 6 and 10. Okay, let's go ahead and draw in our ellipse. Been putting that off. Tall, skinny one here, like Bert the Muppet. And there's my ellipse. What else we got? Well, we could do the domain and range. So domain will be from here to here. So our domain is going to be -6 to 6. And our range will be from bottom to top. No, -10 to 10. Well, where are the foci, or the foci, of this ellipse? Well, they're always inside the ellipse, and they're always in the same direction as the vertices on the major axis. To find them, what you need to do is you need to take the numbers under x squared and y squared, and do the bigger minus the smaller, then take the square root. So to find our foci, what I will do is I will do bigger minus smaller, so 100 minus 36 gives me 64. And in this case, I actually know the square root of 64. It's not irrational, it's just 8. So the square root of 64 is equal to 8. So that means my foci are up and down 8 units. So my foci will be at 0 plus or minus 8. So there's one right there, and there's one right there. So we got everything up here. That's our ellipse. Thanks for watching. I hope that helped.